Welcome viewers and dear learners to my channel Learning English with Amol. In this video, we are going to discuss about the various uses of big data in making the big insights, especially in the banking world. Let us see the key points about the banking details. Dear students, in the world of global economy, banking sector and finance and trade, they are playing vital role in making the economy reach all corners of the world. Now, how the big data actually make use of it, or the banking sector use big data for availing its services to grow up in banking. First point is, big data helps banks and finance companies to prepare suitable plans. I hope you can understand it well that there are various private finance companies and some banks which are making some attractive plans of disbursing loans to the customers, and the concept of providing the various loan plans as per the need of the customer, that too at a regular interval. A new plan is always introduced to attract the customers and to keep them hungry for having the loan for their regular commodities and even for the luxury items like purchasing car or even preparing their furnitures, and moreover they may probably use loan for going abroad for tours and travel. Ultimately, it helps banks to grow their business. It helps to predict and prevent cyber crimes. Today, almost all the transactions that we see, they are online and more on internet. So the chances of having some crimes, especially the cyber crimes, that has been growing in double. So to predict the possible cyber crimes and how we can prevent them, these action plans can also be prepared by the data which is provided by big data. Even the card fraud detection and audit trails, all these things are easily detected and possibly found the culprits behind just with the help of big data. Next point is that big data helps in predict the spikes on servers so that banks can manage its transactions accordingly. Very often it is found that one of the viruses that harms the server and ultimately it corrupts the entire data. So the possible transactions which may get damaged, those things can be managed before the time because of the very information they get from big data. Next thing is that SEC monitors financial markets for possible illegal trades. Now, illegal trades which are monitored, and of course the warnings are given to the customers and even to the companies. The very organization, that is SEC, that keeps monitoring all these financial things, and it helps to save and rescue the customers and the companies together. It uses network analytics and natural language processors to find frauds in markets. In short, big data helps in making all the possible preventive measures from the frauds which may happen, and ultimately it may give a setback to both the banking sector and to the customers in totality. HFT is an area where big data is used to make trading decisions. You see, trading is something which is directly related with the equity, and in the share market all the possible sales, purchases, and to bring some splits in the decision. This is possible with the help of big data. Big data provides inputs from social media and news network. So all the requirements of the society and above all the entire scenario, that is very clearly predicted with the help of big data, and ultimately the plans can get changed accordingly. In short, big data is more friendly towards banking, finance and trading. Dear students, big data is very helpful even to the world of sports. Today we see that the world of sports is changed almost in 360 degrees. It is all because of the very statistical analysis which we see every day there on the monitor of our TV, especially in live crickets or in some games where this data keep updating the viewers as well as the professionals, means the players belonging to that game and those who are allied with that sport activity. They get the enough information about the game, about the techniques and about the individual performances. So this gigantic data is created from normally from the recording of day-to-day matches which are performed, which are played there across the globe. Just for example, today we see that India versus Australia second test match is in process. So you can watch the live telecast of this match there on your screen of TV. So these things are recorded, and this record itself becomes a wonderful data for the further analysis as well as for making some strategies. So recording of matches, training sessions, workout sessions and so on, these things keep giving us an update about the game, its techniques, about the strategies which may possibly can help us in giving the positive results in our every single match. It helps us to study one's performance. You see that if any player who is performing well, his earlier record, particularly in one particular nation, in on particular stadium, everything is analyzed so meticulously, so clearly that we get a very clear map about a particular player's performance. Even you get some records, the earlier records and the present, and it can be compared and contrasted. So these things are possible today for the commentators. Commentators keep on making the comments with the help of this big data which is available to them, and it helps us to compare one player with the other, strength of one player with the others, or weaknesses one can find there through the videos, the technique which they apply and the technique the others are applying. So in short, big data is such a thing that is very friendly and helpful tool in the hands of those who are directly and indirectly related with the sports activity. Video analytics help us to judge the performance minutely. You see that whenever you are preparing any strategy for the upcoming matches, you can see the videos of the concerned players so that they may rectify their problems, they may rectify their errors, and even they may find some errors with the other players which they made repetitively, so that they can actually plan for their weaknesses and some strengths. So this is possible there only because of the big data available at their hands, that too very easily. Dear students, one more sector, that is advertising, which is affected and rather which is more bouncing back only because of the big data which is at their hands as a helping tool. You see, the advertisements which you see, they are on your screen of TV or they are on internet or wherever you come across the advertisements, they are somewhere updated and as per the customized things or customer friendly, so that the hunger to apply and use the commodities and keep the market rolling on, it is only because of the advertisements which are prepared according to the very sentiments and the need of the customers, which may vary or which may probably show the variety of tastes of the different categories of the customers. On Facebook, Twitter, Google, we keep a track of the user behavior. The person who keep on accessing the various sites, the person who keeps on showing the likes, interests, they are in one particular product. Accordingly, the data keep recording these things, and as per the every individual's track record of using it, they are provided such information which can boost up and tempt them for purchasing few more products which are connected with their area of interest. And this way, this advertising is definitely going to get help there through the data available with the help of big data. It can target people based on buying intent. You see that online purchasing, they are on Amazon, Flipkart and so many other online purchasing sites. That data is provided to the respective companies for providing the things as per the customer's demand. So in short, the hunger of buying and purchasing keeps on burning only with the help of big data available to both the manufacturers as well as for the customers. Dear students, we are living in the world of entertainment and media. So entertainment world also keeps getting the feedback there through the medium of big data, and it helps both the producers as well as for the viewers to get their updated entertainment on the concerned media which they apply. It targets people with the right content at right time. You see that all the channels which are a part of your TV, they are giving you the possible things which may cater the taste of you, and as per your need you keep on accessing these channels. Even they are on internet, on your mobile phone, you keep watching the various videos there on YouTube and other channels, and this data is collected there in big data, and ultimately it is provided as a recommendation there to the concerned companies. And that's why we see that some of the videos, some of the pictures, some of the details which we get on the recommendation basis, it is only because of the very data about our individual likes and dislikes which is available to them. They keep sending us the updated things which is in our direction of interest. For example, Netflix or YouTube, whereupon you keep getting the videos which may get connected with your area of interest. Today, in the situation of corona pandemic, this education has also become a sort of business for such industries which keep on providing us the various data thereupon the various channels, that is education industry, which is customized and dynamic learning programs as per the individual need. One of the examples is of Byju, where you keep on watching the advertisements of one of the stars of Bollywood, Shah Rukh Khan, who keeps on giving us an idea about how the basic concepts of your science, mathematics and other subjects you can get clarified through the various videos prepared by Byju. So that keeps providing the curiosity among the customers, especially the parents, about bringing better facilities available for their sons and daughters who are the learners at high school or even up to the higher education level. So in short, big data is really helping out the education industry to prepare their various modules as per the need of the students. I hope you have understood this part well. If you like this video, please mark like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.